This will find you when you need it most. You didn't stumble on this video by accident. You might think it's just another motivational clip floating around your feed, but no, this found you at exactly the moment you needed it most. Because somewhere between who you were and who you're trying to become, something inside you started whispering, "I can't keep doing this." Maybe you're tired of pretending everything's fine. Maybe you've been chasing progress that keeps slipping through your fingers. Or maybe, just maybe, life recently hit you so hard that you forgot what forward even feels like. Take a breath. You're not broken. You're becoming. Here's a strange truth. Sometimes the lessons we need most don't arrive on time. They show up late, awkward, and uninvited, but precisely right. It's like life waits until you're dangling at the edge before whispering the one thing that makes you grab on tighter. Discipline, patience, hope, they rarely show up early. They wait until you're desperate enough to listen. You know what's funny? We think transformation will happen after the perfect morning routine. Lemon water, meditation, journaling, classical music in the background. But real change, it usually happens at 2 a.m. when your Wi-Fi's bad, your confidence is worse, and you're trying to convince yourself that tomorrow you'll start over. That's when life drops something like this video in your lap. Not to fix you, but to remind you that you're not out of the game. When things fall apart, our instinct is to label it as failure. But what if falling apart is just life's way of rearranging you, Hughes? There's a theory in psychology called post-traumatic growth, the idea that deep struggle can produce deeper meaning. It's not about romanticizing pain, it's about understanding that pressure creates diamonds and discomfort breeds strength. You don't grow in comfort, you grow in friction, where every excuse burns away and what's left is the truth. Ever feel like you're one motivational quote away from solving your lifetime? You scroll, save a few, nod like a philosopher, then proceed to nap for 3 hours. It's okay. Everyone does it. Motivation doesn't last, and it's not supposed to. Motivation is a spark, not the fire. The fire is discipline, and discipline isn't built on feeling ready. It's built on doing what matters even when you're not. When life feels heavy, your mind will beg for comfort. But comfort is a quiet thief. It steals your future one easy choice at a time. The trick is to notice the small moments, the tiny, boring, unglamorous decisions that shape the rest of your life. That 5 minutes of reading instead of scrolling. That single glass of water instead of a soda. That one honest conversation instead of pretending you're fine. Each of those tiny moments becomes a thread. And one day, you look back and realize you've woven something unbreakable. This message found you because you needed a reminder. You are allowed to pause, but not to quit. You are allowed to be uncertain, but not to stop showing up. Because every time you keep moving, even half a step, you send a signal to life itself. I'm still here. I'm still fighting. And that's when life begins to meet you halfway. That's when things start finding you. Opportunities, people, ideas, energy. Not because the world changed, but because you did. So if you're hearing this right now, take it as a sign. This is not the end. It's the intermission, the quiet chapter before your next rise. You've got this, not because you figured it all out, but because you're finally willing to keep going even when you haven't. Closing line. If this message found you when you needed it, stay with us. Because sometimes the next thing that changes your life is just one video away.